Hello everyone, and welcome to the Chatterbox channel, a channel for anyone who enjoys a good story. Today, we have a beginner's story, the story of the Ant and the Grasshopper. So watch, listen, and most importantly, repeat after me so that you learn how to tell this story. Before we continue, I want to mention that YouTube offers subtitles in almost all the languages of the world. I've provided a link in the description to show you how to enable this feature. Now let's get started. The Ant and the Grasshopper. I am Ernie, the green grasshopper. I am full of energy. I love the beautiful flowers, but I prefer to stay in the green meadow. Can you guess why? And this is my friend, Anna the ant. She is hardworking, while I am a bit lazy. Watch Anna carry a heavy load of corn. Anna is serious, but I am a bit of a prankster. Sometimes I tease Anna by disappearing into the green grass right in front of her eyes. Watch me. The fancy word for this trick is camouflage. But let me get back to the story. How Anna saved my life. I hope that you will learn from it. One fine morning, I was out in the meadow. Puffy white clouds floated in the blue sky, and I was in a very good mood. Hopping, jumping, grinning, and dancing. Then I had a wonderful idea. I would bring my guitar to the meadow and organize a concert for my friends. Meanwhile, Anna was hard at work in a field. She had found an ear of corn, and she carefully picked off the kernels of corn and made a heap of corn in the field. As I was returning to the meadow with my guitar, I met Anna carrying a heavy load of corn. She said, "My back aches. Please help me with the corn." I replied, "Can't you see that I'm about to give a concert?" Anna warned me, "Soon it will be winter, and you will be hungry." I felt a little guilty as I watched Anna carry the load of corn back to her home. She looked frail and tired, but I had to get back to my concert in the meadow. Look carefully, and you might see me holding a microphone. My friends were waiting for me, eager to watch the concert. I sang and played the guitar. They danced and clapped. There were even 2 bears. Can you find them, cheering for me? Soon the concert finished. My friends all left. I remembered them clapping for me, and I smiled. Little did I know that summer was about to end. Fall arrived, and trees turned orange and yellow. The green grass and flowers had vanished, and I was getting worried. Do you see 3 holes in the ground? These were openings to underground burrows. Here are my friends in the underground burrow. Just look at them. They had forgotten me. 2 of them are playing hide and seek. One is dozing by the fire, and another is greedily eating the corn. Then the snow began to fall. I began to get desperate. I had not eaten for days. I was getting weaker and weaker, and shivered as the snow fell all around me. Clutching my guitar, I somehow stumbled to Anna's home. I could see her through the window. She was sitting in front of a warm fire, near the huge pile of corn that she had gathered in the summer. I was exhausted, starving, and almost freezing to death. I rang the bell, wondering if Anna would open the door for me. Anna opened the door immediately with a welcoming smile. I remembered how hard she had worked in the summer. And I'm sure that she remembered how I wasted my time singing and dancing in the meadow. "Please come in," said Anna. "I was worried about you because I knew that you had no food and no home. I was wondering if you would survive this bitter winter." "I missed your concert in the summer," said Anna. "So, after a good meal, please sing and dance for me." I understood that Anna was gently reminding me to prepare for the winter next year and never again waste the summer. We've reached the end of this video, and I'd love to hear your comments and suggestions. Please hit the like button to support this channel and subscribe to be notified about new content. Meanwhile, here are some playlists which I'm sure you'll enjoy. I'll see you again soon.